Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you speed up your computer in just few seconds. So for doing this, click on window key and then search here task manager and then open it. Now here you can see in my computer there are 106 background processes are running which are basically making the computer slower. So you can end these tasks from here. So by ending these tasks, your computer will get fast as your computer have to run less background processes. So this is how you can maximize your computer speed. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.